Big enough to pull it off, right?
A little bit. It's a lethargic fish. Could be
Fish, it'll be the first fish of the day.
Half asleep. Hey, look at that over there.
Yeah, I saw it. He's coming. Calico and a keeper. Oh, I'll take a lethargic keeper like that.
See? I hardly knew it.
How did you tell?
Just a little wiggle.
Well, that's because your line was too loose.
Yeah? I really tightened it up and pulled it off. Okay, let's see what we got here. Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
14 and a half?
Yep, 14 and a half.
Hold him up again.
Isn't he a beauty?
Yep, okay.
This is what we're supposed to be catching.
Yes, all day. But that's the first one. It is now 8:30. Yeah. Sea lions all around us. They want their calico.
That's nice.